Today we are going to start chapter 8, that is perimeter, area and volume. First of all, we will discuss what is perimeter. Perimeter. The distance around a figure is the perimeter of the figure. The distance around the figure, that is called the perimeter. To find the perimeter, we simply add the measurements of the figure. Suppose there is a figure 3 centimeter, 5 centimeter. These are the measurements. 3 centimeter, 5 centimeter. As I have explained, perimeter means the sum of all the sides. So perimeter will be side 1 3 centimeter plus side 2 5 centimeter plus side 3 centimeter plus side 4 5 centimeter. We will add these 3 plus 3 6 and 10 16. The perimeter of this figure will be 16 centimeter. Let's start the recap exercise. First question is find the perimeter. One figure is given and two measurements are also given. This side is 2.5 meter long and this is 1.5 meter. We can see that these two lines are parallel and these two are parallel. So we can say this side is also 2.5 meter, same measurement, and these two sides will be of the same measurement, 1.5 meter. Now the formula of perimeter is sum of all the sides. So here we will write perimeter is equal to, we will add all the sides, 2.5 meter, 1.5 meter, 2.5 meter plus 1.5 meter. Remember, meter is very important to write. Fine. Now we will write and add 2.5, 1.5, 2.5, 1.5 meter. And we will simply add 5, 10, 15, 20, carry 2, 2 to 4, 5 to 7 and 1, 8. So the perimeter will be, we can cut it 8 meter. But a unit is very important. Otherwise you will never get the full marks in the exam if you will not write the unit of the answer. So this is our final answer, 8 meter. Our second question is find the perimeter. One figure is given and four sides measurements are also given. Simply we will do the question using the formula perimeter is equal to sum of all the sides. We will write here perimeter is equal to 32.5 centimeter plus 32.5 centimeter plus 32.5 centimeter plus 32.5 centimeter. We will add all the measurements. 32.5, 32.5, 32.5. Remember, decimal should come under the decimal. Centimeter, centimeter, centimeter and centimeter. Add these. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 0, carry 1, 3, 4s are 12 and 1, 13. So, our perimeter is equal to 130 centimeter. This is our answer. Third question is find the perimeter of the following polygon. Here one polygon is given and measurement of all the sides has been given. To find the perimeter, we will add all the sides as the formula is sum of all the sides. So here we will add, we will start from here 8.3 centimeter plus 3.8 centimeter plus 5.4 centimeter plus 7.4 centimeter plus 7.2 centimeter. 5 measurements are there. Now add these 8.3 centimeter, 3.8 8 centimeter. 5.4 centimeter. 7.4 centimeter. Decimal under decimal. 7.2 centimeter. We will add these. 8, 3, 11, 15, 19 and 2, 21. Carry 2. 8, 2, 10, 3, 13, 5, 18, 25, 7, 32. The perimeter is 32.1 centimeter, and this is our final. Our next topic is to find the perimeter by using a formula. Earlier we were finding the perimeter very simply by adding all the sides. But from that simple process only, we will derive the formula of finding the perimeter of a rectangle. See how? Here is one rectangle. Measurements are length, breadth, length, breadth. Perimeter will be sum of all the sides. Length plus breadth plus length plus breadth. Fine. Now, we can see there are two lengths. So, write 2 lengths plus 2 breadths. Now, we can take 2 common and length plus breadth will be left inside the braces. So, this is the formula of a perimeter of a rectangle. 2 multiply length plus breadth. 2 multiply length plus breadth. I hope you understand it. Now, we'll start exercise 8.1. First question. The length and breadth of rectangles are given. Find their perimeter using the formula. Length is 5.8 meter. Breadth is 3 meter. Perimeter's formula is 2 multiply length plus breadth. 2 multiply by 5.8 meter plus 3 meter. We will add these two measurements. 5.8, 3.0 meter. It will be 8.8 meter. 2 multiply 8.8 meter. Now we need to multiply these two numbers. So here we will multiply in the rough. 2 8s are 16. 2 8s are 16 and 1 17. Put one decimal over here. Meter. So our final answer is 17.6 meter. This is the perimeter of this rectangle. Next part is length is 65 centimeter and breadth is 35 centimeter. We will use the same formula again. Perimeter of rectangle is 2 multiply length plus breadth. Here we will write 2. Length is 65 centimeter. Breadth is 35 centimeter. We will add these two measurements. 65 plus 35 is 100 centimeter. 200s are 200 centimeter. This is our final answer. I hope you understand it. Rest of the parts you can do in the same way. Thank you.